wow, United States GDP is growing fast, it's smashing it, smashing it. Are you investing in the United States stock market right now? Because it's invincible. US is invincible. Look at this. US second quarter GDP revised higher. So wait a minute. How come it's just not higher, but revised higher? So that means it was like kind of not high, but then they revised it a few months later to be higher. What's going on here? Isn't this just like the revision down of the NFP jobs numbers? Like, remember Pablo was warning you guys that the US job numbers are fake, right? That was my video that came out about 3 days ago. 3 days just before the United States Bureau of Labor Services, the government itself, admitted that their job numbers was fake and they revised those numbers down. So they revised the job numbers down, right? Just 2 days before Jackson Hole, which is the big speech that the Federal Reserve gave that they're going to cut interest rates, right? And now they revise the economic GDP numbers up, right? What are they trying to do? Essentially, as it says here, right, we're going to get, see, this is from CNBC. We're going to get all these headlines of saying, the US data, GDP data, calms the recession fears. They don't want you to fear that it's going to be a recession. Basically, they release the figures however they want, right? They fake the numbers however they want to achieve the results they want. If they thought they want to cut rates right now, they will tell you they'll suddenly revise the unemployment numbers down by 820,000 jobs. That's what they did, right? And I predicted that in my video 3 days before they did that. And then they revised, they don't want the markets to crash. They don't want you to think it's a recession. So they say that, that the GDP number is stronger than expected and they revised the number up. And I've been predicting this phenomenon all along. So you can see this is my Discord, where I posted this about 3 weeks ago. I said these are fake, make-believe US economy is strong, right? They need weak numbers to justify rate cuts, so it needs to be managed to be Goldilocks numbers, like in the fairy tale, right? Not too hot, not too cold, right? Wall Street has corrupted these economic data announcements. And if you've been following the economic reports, and it's not just the job numbers or GDP numbers, but the US economic data of PPI, CPI, retail numbers, they're all fake because, I said, I think those numbers are fake. Really, Pablo? Right? I explained it's because they all seem so Goldilocks, right? They're basically not too hot, not too cold. Everything just seems to be perfect right now. Everything is awesome. Well, everything is not awesome, and I predicted those numbers before they came out